Aluminium, the unsung hero of the skies. Ever wondered what keeps planes soaring high? It's aluminium. This amazing material has become the backbone of the aircraft industry thanks to its unbeatable combo of strength, lightness, and durability. Let's dive into why aluminium is the ultimate wingman for aviation. Why is aluminium such a game changer in aircraft construction? Let's break it down. First up, lightweight. Aluminium is significantly lighter than other metals like steel. This reduced weight means better fuel efficiency and more room for cargo. In short, you get more bang for your buck in the skies. Corrosion resistance is another key benefit. Aluminium naturally forms a protective layer that fights off rust, making it perfect for long-lasting aircraft that can withstand harsh environments. Plus, machinability. Aluminium is super easy to shape, so it's ideal for crafting everything from wings and fuselages to engine parts and landing gear. And let's not forget, recyclability. Aluminium is highly recyclable, making it an eco-friendly choice for the future of aviation. What about the application of aluminium in aircraft? The fuselage, the main body of the aircraft, is constructed from aluminium sheets or panels, providing a lightweight yet sturdy structure. The wings, essential for lift, are typically made from aluminium alloys. This choice ensures the wings are both strong and light, crucial for optimal flight performance. The retractable landing gear system is also crafted from aluminium, a decision that helps reduce the aircraft's weight without compromising on strength. Inside the aircraft, aluminium is found in seats, panels, and various other components, combining durability with a lightweight design for a comfortable and efficient flight experience. Engine components, including turbine blades, compressor discs, and casings, rely on aluminium's ability to withstand high temperatures and stress, while keeping the overall weight low. And that's why aluminium is the unsung hero of aviation. It makes planes lighter, stronger, and more durable, all while being eco-friendly. So next time you fly, remember, it's aluminium that helps keep you soaring. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.